I just got 2 exciting packages and I'm gonna unbox one of them with you today. The other one is gonna be coming very soon, but trust me, you're gonna wanna look out for that one because it is the most exciting package of the year. Take a guess. Let's see if you can figure out what package that might just be. For now, I just got my Charme box. Dang it, why do I always do that? I just got my Charme box. This is the December box. Well, I guess November, huh? I got the Halloween one, but that one came late for me. I had some issues, so I just didn't do the unboxing for that one, but I got this one in time and I'm gonna unbox it for you because I'm so excited. I know this one's gonna be good. If you guys aren't subscribed to the Charme box, why not? If you don't know what the Charme box is, how is that possible? This is from Daily Charme. This is their subscription box, and it is a bi-monthly subscription box where it is $50 or something like that. $50, and you get a bunch of different nail goodies. They'll give you gels, they'll give you like stickers, foils, nail charms, anything that you can think of. And then they throw in some extra goodies also. And some of the items that are in these boxes are actually limited edition, and they are only gonna be available in the box. This is the best, I'm gonna say it, this is the best nail subscription box out there. So if you are looking for a good nail subscription box, definitely look into this one. They are constantly opening spots for these boxes, so you'll just have to keep an eye out to see if they have any openings, so that way you can sign up for these boxes. They do sell, if they have any leftovers, they do sell just the individual box, but it will be more expensive than if you were subscribed to the box. So I hope all that made sense. The way they curate these boxes, they always come with a card, and the cards always show different nail looks that they created using the items in this box. So look at how pretty. Oh, I love that. Then they give a coupon code, and then on the back they share all the items that are in the box. They tell you whether it's a limited edition to the box only. If it hasn't launched yet, it'll tell you when it's launching, and then it will tell you the price and all that good stuff. So I'm not gonna look at this because I want to be surprised. And then they always include these little paper confetti things that I keep and I reuse. So I love that this one has gold. It's gold, white, and silver. I can't wait. First thing I see is an extra item. This is a pair of gloves. I live in California, so I am not gonna need these. I was in North Dakota last year with my sister for a while, so these would have been nice to have. But these look like they're fingerless gloves. Oh, fancy. Maybe I'll wear it for the rest of this video, or at least for the rest of this unboxing. Cute! I love it! The card, like I said, it has all the information. So these are hand warmer gloves. Oh, it says they're photo shoot favorite for cozy nails. $12, and of course this is only curated for this box. Oh wait, I'm gonna keep it on. Next thing I have are some foils. We've got this one here, some snowflakes, and then this really cool hollow spotted one. That is really cool. So they have the white snowflake foil and the silver hollow dots foil. Both of these are going to be launching on December 1st, and they are going to be $3 each. And then this other one is Aurora Crinkle Glass Paper. It's iridescent and sparkly for beautiful color shift shine. This is limited to this box only, so they will not be selling it. And this was $3 as well. So pretty. I love Daily Charme so much. Can you tell? I know I don't use their products enough, but I have a lot of their products. Okay, next I have some stickers. This really pretty gold set of stickers, and then some of the airbrush type stickers with snowflakes. Okay, so we have the Snowy Celebration DC sticker, the cutest snowflakes, baubles, and season's greetings in gold. This is $5, and it is newly released as of the 1st of November. And then we also have the airbrush snowflake DC sticker, easily add subtle snowflakes / baubles to your nails. This was $5 also, and it is recently launched as of November 1st as well. Next is like a 3D Christmas tree. Oh, it's a Christmas card. Sending our best wishes. It says the price is priceless. That's pretty cute. And that was a bonus item, of course. Next, I see, this is called the Pearl Resin Cabochon box. I don't know what that means, cabochon. Dreamy white pearls in different shapes and sizes. This is $10 and it's gonna be launching December 1st. Wow, these are so cute. All right, so the next one is, oh, it's a chain set. Yes. This one is the metallic chain mix box. Unique chains in gold and silver, $10. I'm guessing these are already available because it doesn't say otherwise. Oh, so good. Then we have some star nail charms. So for this one, 2 of these glitters are counted as 1. This is the sparkle glitter mix. This is all the sparkles you'll need in gold, silver, iridescent, and holographic glitters. And these 2 are limited to this box only, and these are $3.75. And then we have this bonus item in here. And this is an iridescent and glow-in-the-dark glitter for winter nights. $3.75. This is one of the bonus items. I just put it in my lamp and it is so stunning. I'm gonna show you, don't worry. Okay, so this is the Charme Crystal Star. Super cute and sparkly in the color Moonlight, available in 3 other colors. This is $7 and it will be available December 1st as well. Very, very pretty. We have 3 little charm packs. This first one is the Stars and Sparkles Studs Mix in gold and silver. We love it for Winter Wonderland and New Year's nails. This is limited to this box only and it is $4.50. Oh, this is pretty. These are so tiny and dainty. We've got some dangle charms. This is the Twinkling Star Dangle Zircon Charm. Golden sparkles with blue zircon crystals, $6. Newly launched as of November 1st. And then the last one is the Mini Xmas Charm Mix. Dainty charms in 5 designs, sold separately in gold and silver, $8. Limited edition to this box and new as of November 1st. I can never figure out what that means. If maybe only one color. Oh, I remember. So these are gonna be available, or these are available. So this is limited to this box because this is a mixture of the gold and the silver. But on the website, you're only gonna be able to buy it separately, either gold or silver. So that's what they mean by limited plus new. The next item is one of their cuticle oils. And this is the 2-in-1 Aromatic Cuticle Oil. Say hello to smelling divine and nourished cuticles on the go. Now available in 5 luxurious scents. This is $12 a piece, and these were newly launched as of November 1st. And apparently the 2-in-1 means that you can kind of use this like a perfume also. And another thing, you guys, I just watched one of their lives yesterday, and I won the entire collection of this, so I have the other scents coming in the mail. I am so excited. Now we have the last 2 items, which I'm excited for the most. We've got 2 gels. These are their Twinkle Flash Gels, and their Twinkle Flash Gels are beautiful. If you've never seen Daily Charms Twinkle Flash Gels, you are missing out on some true beauty. And these are from 2 different collections. So the first one we have here is Snow Angel, and this is a twinkling milky white. It's $18 and it's newly launched as of the 1st of November. And then we also have Space Odyssey, and this one was newly launched as of November 1st as well, $18. Snow Angel is from a previous launch. This one was supposed to be part of a different collection, but it came late, so that's why it's launching now. But it is part of a different collection from this one. They did come out with a new Holo Twinkle collection, and of course I have that on the way. I could not say no to that, so I will definitely show you guys that when it comes in. It's been a couple days since I filmed the last unboxing, the charm box, and I actually got in my other package from Daily Charm, which includes the giveaway prize that I mentioned for the set of cuticle oils. So I'm gonna unbox it for you. I also got their new Holo Twinkle collection. I think I mentioned that as well. So let's go ahead and bust into these, and then maybe I'll do another video doing a nail set. We will see, we will see. All right, comes with a card, a thank you card that has their socials. You guys, they rock with cat eyes. Their cat eyes, like their looks that they make are always so good. how beautiful this packaging is. Really don't care for cuticle oils, but oh my goodness. And they base these off of colors they already have, like gel colors they have in their collection. I think they have matching names and everything. So we have the Daydream one that I already showed from the Charm box. Then we also have La La Lavender, which is a lavender, mint, and bergamot scent. Then we also have Sweet Dreams, which is peony, rose, and lychee. We've got Golden Hour, which is lemon, orange, and musk. And then, like I said, these can be used for kind of like a perfume. It's a 2-in-1. But yeah, so then we also have Secret Garden, which is lime, jasmine, and lily. And then I also got the Galaxy Holo Twinkle Flash collection. And I already did get one color in the box, which is the Space Odyssey. But it was still cheaper to buy the entire collection than it was to just buy the other colors, and omitting that, it was going to be cheaper to still buy it. I do have an extra bottle of Space Odyssey now, so who knows, that may go in a future giveaway, we shall see. So we have the other 5 colors here. Of course, I'm going to swatch all of them for you. We have Dark Matter, we've got Gravity, Interstellar, Twilight Zone, and Moonshot. So I'm gonna go ahead and swatch these for you. All right, that was it for this video. I'm gonna go ahead and close it out. I will do a nail set at some point. These are holiday themed stuff, so I have plenty of time to do nail sets. But I'm gonna make sure to link these collections and the Charm box in the description so you guys can check it out yourself. They do sell out quick, so make sure you get on it if you are interested. Thank you for watching. Thank you for hanging out with me as always. I will see you guys next time. Bye.